This Diamond Realty and Associates property video is presented by Mindy Wardlaw. Grougous updated home with open floor plan and many upgrades and revisions. New paint, new luxe floor, lighting to include added upgraded new and added can lighting, moldings and more. This is your must-see home, with fabulous kitchen with granite countertops and more. Fireplace setting redesigned with basketweave custom tile and remote maste suite for your bright way to start your days. This is typically listed as a 3-bedroom, the open French doors off living can be used as 4th bedroom, office for some have made an additional dining. It's your choice, with closet. Make this home yours before it's gone. Great patio for relaxing evenings and grilling out. For more information, review the details below.